In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage analytic accounts in Odoo 18 Accounting. Whether you're new to Odoo or looking to refine your skills, this guide will simplify the process of organizing your accounts effectively using this powerful platform. So, let's dive in and explore each step in detail. First things first, head over to Odoo's website. If you're not familiar, Odoo is an open-source ERP and CRM platform, which is fantastic for managing a wide range of business processes. Once you're on the website, you'll see the option to sign in at the top right corner. Click on that link and enter your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Odoo dashboard. This is your central hub where all the main features and apps are accessible. Now, what we're looking for is the accounting module. On the dashboard, you'll find various modules catering to different business areas. Click on Accounting to access the accounting functionalities of Odoo. Once inside the accounting section, the next step is to configure your settings. Look for the Configuration tab on the menu and click on it. This will take you to a new page with various settings options available for customizing your accounting operations. Here, click on Settings to enter the configuration area. In the Settings area, you'll find a section dedicated to Analytics. Analytics is a crucial component, providing insights and detailed tracking of financial performance. So go ahead and click on Analytics. This is where you can manage your analytic accounts, which allow you to track expenses and revenues across your organization more precisely. Within Analytics, you'll also see an option called Analytic Accounting. Clicking this will enable you to create and modify your analytic accounts. It's a flexible system that helps you allocate costs and revenues to specific projects or departments, enhancing your financial analysis capabilities significantly. Take your time to explore these options and customize them according to your organization's needs. This way, you can ensure that your accounting practices align with your strategic goals, facilitating better decision-making based on precise financial insights. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing analytic accounts within Odoo 18 Accounting efficiently. Don't forget to save any changes you make and regularly review your analytic reports to stay on top of your financial health. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Feel free to revisit it anytime you need a refresher, and good luck with your journey in mastering Odoo Analytics.